Good day, sir. Here is my activity lab dashboard. So first is, as you can say, populate your database data with at least 30 and get 10 name shared database if your database required. So I get in the connected shared online database the information of the all students. So as you can see here, so we have a Abad Angelica Prestosa, Abad. So nangunga po ako ng 10 information doon sa shared po na database. And the others po is random na. And as you can see, meron na rin po ako dyan. So 30 po ito. So yun po. And the next is yung analytics po, tapos yung fig. So ito po siya. So dito po, based sa user distribution, ang students po na ginawa ko po is 30. So sa employee po is makikita nyo po dyan. So kulay green po siya. So sa statistic po, malalaman po dito kung ilan ang active jobs. So ang active jobs ko po today is 31. So yun lang po. And the others, so sa settings po and help, meron po ako dito na yan. Dito rin po yung mga simple general settings and quick actions. And then sa help po, mayroon po dito yung mga manage students kung paano pag-a-add, ganyan po. How to delete. So yun lang po.